First of all, I'd like to welcome you all to Aglogains. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It's lovely talking to all of you, and we do come live every day at 9:30 to 10:30 to trade live with all of you. Okay, today's live stream is going to be a little short. I will get right to the point, and we'll look at the chart first. Then we'll look at the positions. I will open up my Kite portal as well, and we can look at what open positions I'm holding, and then we can sort of end today's live stream. We've made some significant profits yesterday. Overall, the intraday there were a little hiccups here and there, but that's, I think, a part and parcel of our everyday trading journey here. So just a minute, guys. I think the setup is almost done. We should be there anytime now. Yep. All right. So I'm going to try this once again. Let's see if it pulls up. Perfect. So you guys should be able to see my screen now. So this is exactly what we have set up for the day today. The market has slightly gone up since when I've set this up, but these are my current positions for today. I'm currently at ₹1,000 profit on 300 quantity. I will keep tracking this and we can take a look at all of this. But let's look at the markets before we get started. See, today's market looks like this, right? It obviously opened with a huge gap up, and then sort of anyone who's taking trades in the first 5 minutes, which is exactly why we tell you to not trade within the first 5 minutes, usually take some time off here and here. Wait for the first 15 minutes. So typically, this would be the candle that you're playing with. Now, any time that it breaks this range and this range, that is where your 15 minutes range is for today. So you can start trading after the first 15 minutes and then take a position. Okay. Now, let's talk about the positions that we're going to take. It's going to be fairly simple. I will just clear these out for you so that, excuse me. All right. Perfect. So this is our current time, 9:46. Okay. Now, as we usually do, we go closer to 300, sell the call option. We go closer to 300, sell the put option. You can obviously buy hedges, okay, worth 10 rupees or so. But right now the market is very, I mean, the hedging cost is very low. So I can go 2.5 here and maybe 5 rupees or 7 rupees here. In fact, I can go to 3 rupees also and buy the hedge, right? Because this is an intraday position, now I'm going to change this to what I usually trade with, 12 lots, but I'll keep it as 10 lots here, just so that we all can follow this along. Now, obviously, you see the entry points, which is 317. Our stop loss would be plus 20%, right? So 317 plus 20%. Let's just do the quick math here. Calculator, let me just pull that up. All right, just give me 1 second. There you go. So it's 317 plus 20%. Wow. Give me 1 second, guys. 317 to 0.2. So 63 rupees would be your stop loss somewhere towards the upside. And, on the put leg also, call leg is 63 rupees stop loss from here, right? So, and on the put leg also, your stop loss would be about 380 rupees here, about 390 rupees here, 390 or 400 rupees here on an average, right? So that would be your stop losses. Let us see how this plays out, and we will be tracking this for the whole day today. Today being expiry, it will be really important for you to, make sure that you're in front of the markets. Please do make sure that you're tracking the markets. And I hope you all have a great expiry day today. I will be tracking this position just to give you a feedback about yesterday. I think yesterday we've started off with pretty good profits. So overall, we were at some 50,000, 70,000 profit also. There was a point that we were at. But as the day progressed, if you see the markets, let me just quickly share my screen here with you. If you see the markets as the day progressed yesterday, the market sort of made this big downward move. And here's where we were at a very decent profit of about 70,000-80,000 rupees, I think, on the 12 lots that we had. And then from here, the market started rallying, and there was a technical glitch, and we did not put a stop loss. For some reason, my trailing stop loss did not work, and that sort of gave me a complete loss. I wouldn't say complete loss. I've exited with about 10,000 profit, and then we have our positional strategies that we wound off yesterday, since it was the Karnataka state elections, and there's a lot of news that was floating around. So we did exit that. Overall, I think yesterday we were in 25,000 rupees profit for the whole day. And for this month, I think the month of May, we are sitting at about a good profit of about somewhere close to 10,000, 20,000. I think that's all. May has been the lowest performing month so far. I hope that sort of changes for us here. And let us see how the entire thing goes for today, and we will be able to track this and keep you in check. Okay. Thank you so much for joining in today's live stream. And I will see you in the evening where we review how the entire week was. We will review how the expiry day trading was, and I will share with you how the profits or losses of our current trading strategy works out to be. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing to Aglogains. We do come live every day at 9:30 to 10 o'clock, 10:30, and we